Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give a brief explanation about this project. This project is a self-service cashier program that has some functionality. This program is supposed to add an item list that we are going to buy, updating name, item quantity, price per item that we are going to buy, and deleting one of the item, all of the items that we have added to the item list, and then checking or making sure all the entries are correct. This project are essentially made up of these two main components. The first component is transaction.py file, and the second component is main.py. The rest is the rest are supporting components such as requirement.txt and readme.md for storing documentation. So what is actually transaction.py file? Let's take a look into this file. Transaction.py file actually the code implementation of transaction class. Transaction class contains init function or init methods that will store our information that we are going to give to our program, such as item name, item quantity, price per item, and price per item that has been calculated to its quantity. Then function for adding item into the item list, function to updating item name, update item price, and so on. Let's move into another file, that main.py. Let's see what is in this file. So in this main.py is actually implementation of the main menu. Main menu is everything we are going to see when we are going to command line interface when the program just run. This main menu will ask for an input or prompt that will calls the function from the transaction.py. The transaction.py will validate our input, and if the input is valid, then it will give us an output. That's a simple of how this program works. To run this program, we can just type this inside the command line, python -m pip install -r requirement.txt to install all the library that is required to run this program. And then to run the program, we just type python main.py. Then the program will run. This is the flowchart of how the program works. From the start, we go to the main menu, then we will give the program our input. Then it will validate our input. If our input is valid, then the function from transaction class will run. Otherwise, it will go back to the main menu, ask for the correct input. Then the function itself will also validate our input. If the input is valid, it will proceed to give us an output. Otherwise, it will go back to the main menu. And this is some test cases that I've done for this program. So far, this program runs well. And then for the further improvement, I'm planning to connect this program into the database. So when I restart this program, the data that I've entered into this program will be stored inside database. And I'm planning to implementing some Python framework like SQL Alchemy, Django, or Flask. I don't know yet. I think that's all. Brief explanation about this project. For For further information, you can take a look inside this documentation. Thank you for coming. Bye.